The Jeep Compass e-Hybrid, introduced in 2023, is an innovative addition to the legendary off-road automaker's line, marrying traditional Jeep ruggedness with the eco-friendly capabilities of a plug-in hybrid powertrain. This compact SUV stands as a testament to Jeep's commitment to incorporating sustainability into their renowned design and capability. A key element of this new model is its powertrain. The hybrid setup combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, resulting in impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. The e-hybrid can be driven solely on electric power, making short commutes practically emission-free, while the gasoline engine ensures longer trips can be handled without range anxiety. The model retains the signature rugged look synonymous with Jeep. The 7-slot grille, trapezoidal wheel arches, and robust body design that Jeep fans love remain intact. However, subtle design elements hint at its electric nature, such as unique badging and the charging port cleverly integrated into the design. Moreover, the model offers an upgraded suite of safety features. It boasts advanced driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and an advanced parking assist system. These enhancements elevate the driving experience and promote peace of mind for all occupants. The e-hybrid doesn't compromise on off-roading capabilities, a signature of Jeep. With its intelligent all-wheel drive system, the vehicle can seamlessly transition between different terrains. Jeep's renowned Select Terrain system, offering multiple modes for various road conditions, is a standard feature in this hybrid model. Another defining aspect of this vehicle is its user-friendly charging system. It supports level 2 charging, allowing drivers to replenish the battery in a matter of hours at home or at public charging stations. On top of that, regenerative braking technology recuperates energy during deceleration, helping to extend the electric range. The model doesn't skimp on practicality. The cleverly designed interior offers ample space for passengers and cargo alike. Versatile storage solutions, including foldable rear seats and multiple storage compartments, ensure this SUV can handle the demands of daily driving as well as weekend adventures. The Jeep Compass e-Hybrid therefore stands as an exciting, eco-conscious and versatile choice for both urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.